How's it going, everybody? Just going to be shooting a few rounds of my 22 Savage with my Silencerco Sparrow 22 suppressor. So I got two different ammo that I'm going to be shooting. The first 5 should be this Federal. It is 45 grain suppressor ammo. It's running 970 feet per second is what they're saying. Then I got some of this here, the CCI Quiet 22. It's not really designed for semi-autos, I don't think. This one is a 40 grain and it's running 710 feet per second. So it's going to be 5 rounds of the first one, the 45 grain Federal, and then 5 rounds of the Quiet, running at the slower feet per second. Go ahead and try her out. I'm just going to shoot dirt so you can kind of see the difference or hear the difference. And obviously shooting steel, it's going to be kind of hard to tell. Now it should be the Quiet CCI. Oh, that's the difference.